Hey everyone! Welcome to Stock Trading 101, Beginner's Guide. Thinking about diving into the world of stock trading but not sure where to start? Well, you're in the right place. No worries, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to get started. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about what stock trading actually is. It might sound complicated, but it's quite straightforward. Essentially, you're buying shares of a company, hoping that their value will increase over time. These shares represent a small ownership in the company. When the value goes up, you can sell those shares for a profit. Simple, right? But there's more to it than just buying and selling. But before you jump in, you need to set up a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and sell your stocks. Think of it as your gateway to the stock market. Without it, you can't trade. There are tons of options out there, from traditional brokers like Charles Schwab to online platforms like Robinhood. Each has its own pros and cons. Do your homework and choose one that fits your needs. Look at fees, user interface, and available tools. Once you've got your account set up, it's time to fund it. This is the money you'll use to buy stocks. Decide how much money you're comfortable investing. It's important to start with an amount you're okay with losing. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. The stock market can be volatile. Now let's talk about research. This is a crucial step. It's crucial to understand the companies you're investing in. Look at their financial health, management team, and industry position. Look at their financial statements, news articles, and market trends. Stay informed about any news that might affect the stock. Websites like Yahoo Finance and Morningstar are great resources. They provide detailed information and analysis. Next, you need to develop a strategy. This will guide your investment decisions. Are you looking for long-term investments or short-term gains? Each approach has its own risks and rewards. For beginners, I recommend starting with a long-term approach. It's generally safer and less stressful. This means buying stocks of companies you believe will grow over time and holding on to them. Diversification is key. It helps spread risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different companies and sectors. Spread your investments across different sectors to reduce risk. This way, if one sector underperforms, others might do well. Think tech, healthcare, consumer goods, and so on. Each sector has its own dynamics. Now let's talk about buying your first stock. Start small. Don't rush into it. Pick a company you've researched thoroughly and buy a few shares. Celebrate your first step into the stock market. Track its performance and see how it aligns with your expectations. This will help you learn and adjust your strategy. Keep an eye on the market. Stay updated with market news and trends. Use tools like stock screeners and alerts to stay informed. These tools can help you make timely decisions. But don't get obsessed with daily movements. The market fluctuates daily. Focus on long-term trends. This will give you a better perspective. Finally, don't forget to review and adjust your portfolio regularly. This ensures you're on track with your goals. Rebalance if needed to ensure you're still on track with your investment goals. This might involve selling some stocks and buying others. And there you have it. A quick guide to starting your journey in stock trading. Remember, patience and continuous learning are your best friends in the market. The more you learn, the better you'll get. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. We have a lot more to share. Happy trading. Thanks for watching and good luck on your trading journey.